Hey, poopers, welcome to hashtag straight poop. I'm Larry Gerber, the barbecue man, in case you didn't know. Hey, we're doing Swiss steaks. Yeah, kinda interesting. The sirloin is put through a cuber, nice and tender. So I'm breading them first, or dousing them in flour. There's flour, there's KIEF, there's chili powder, there's cumin, there's salt, there's pepper. The exact amounts are in our e-cookbook, available by going to the comments section and clicking the link at the top. It's pinned. Pretty simple. It'll be in your email box in like 18 seconds or something. So I'm breading it, and I've got, I'll take that off the fire a little bit. Okay. I've got cannabis oil here, and it's not strained, okay? Usually I like going with a strain, but this one, I'm trying a new oil. So, we'll see. It's not the first time I'm using it, but it's the first time I'm using it on video. So, there we go. And I got another one I think I could cram and still not affect the temperature. I don't want to stew this. I'm gonna grab that. Okay. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna brown this. Then we're gonna take it off, or take it out. Then I'm gonna deglaze the pan with, I've got brandy tincture, and it's in a bowl, or it's in a cup, with garlic, and there's chicken broth, okay? I like the taste of chicken broth. And what else do we have in here? There's garlic. Oh, there's KIEF. There's also capers. So that's all gonna go in after we take that out. And since it's so thin, we're not gonna do it for a very long time. We're also going to put some minced onions in there too. So this is pretty simple, man. You know, so I really like using this type of meat. And since they put it in the cuber, well, it's sirloin, you know, so you don't really need to jacquard. You know, you're not putting a rub on it, so, or you're not marinating. No need to get into those muscle fibers. Yeah. And the nice thing about it is, man, it's not a real hard batter. You know, like if you were gonna dip it in egg, or first flour, and then egg, and then like a crumb, a panko, well, you don't see many people use cornflake crumbs anymore, but something like that, cracker, matzo meal, whatever. No, it's not a thick crumb like that. And this isn't going to get particularly brown, okay? We got the, some of the blood coming to the top. Means that bottom part is getting cooked accordingly. We got blood here, we got blood there. It's good. And this isn't too, this is at, well, on my stove, it's 3.5. So if you're using with gas, might match, I don't know. Okay. I'm going to douse the I'm going to douse some Worcestershire sauce when we put this back. Put that under there. Nice. That's exactly what we want. I don't want it dark. Okay. And this guy, that blood's coming out, man. It's nice. Because it adds to the flavor of the pan. Don't want to splatter it, so I'll just dump them on that guy's back and then shift them to the oil. Yeah, this is great. This is simple too, man. I mean, I could get this dish done with deglazing, I don't know, 9 minutes. That's pretty quick for dinner. You know, including, you know, prepping the breading, which takes no time. I'm using bread flour, in fact. I'm not using all-purpose. I don't know, it sticks better to protein. And that's what I like. I don't, you know, I want some of it in the pan, sure. Thickens the sauce, thickens the gravy, whatever. But let me get this. Get that guy off. This guy off. And then I'll lower that fire. Going to get all that fond, F-O-N-D. That's just, I don't know if that's French or whatever, but that's the flavor that sticks to the pan. You want all that stuff. See? That's what you want. That's exactly what you want. And flavor, flavor, flavor. All right, that goes my mixture of herbs, spices, broth, brandy, cannabis oil. All right, man, I'm bringing that up. There's also KIEF that was added, and basically for another inducement, or what's that word? Potentiator, but also to thicken it up. In addition to the flour that we had on the SIRLOIN. So yeah, I'm just, you know what? I don't like that idea of maybe scraping off the metal on metal. Okay. Yeah, now I'm just stirring this in. This looks good, man. I'll bring that to a slight boil. Adding some of my favorite shortcut onion. I like those shortcut onions. Well, you can't use it in onion soup, but in this application you can. I wanted to tell you that good news is I got vidIQ for optimization on my videos, and thanks to you guys, we're getting 61% retention value. That means you guys are sticking with this show nearly to the end. There's creators out there who are begging for 30%. Okay, so this content, my dogs, something, maybe the music Jim picked out, the jazz, I don't know, but it's keeping you here and we appreciate it, and we're not asking for a dime. In fact, we're giving you our free cookbook. Go to the comments section. You could cook along with us because this recipe's in that book. 125 recipes, cannabis. Most barbecue, but this is in there too. So grab it, go to the comment section, and click the link at the top. Chives, more KIEF, and there's also dry parsley. Now, we gotta thicken up just a little bit. Yeah. I'm really digging this, man. This is... And... just waiting for this to come to a complete boil. There we go. The juices, which are very important, back into here. And okay, we're gonna finish it. You know, there's a dish that I'm gonna do later in the year called chicken Pompeii. All right. And what it is, it's a thin sliced breast, all right? And it's similar to a Kiev, but it's not breaded and it's not done in the oven. So, but it's got chives, it's got garlic, it's got butter, and it's got some cheese, and it's rolled into a little parcel. And it's like sauteed or fried in this type of gravy or this type of sauce. This is wonderful, man. Just basting this. Yeah, I'm gonna get a platter because I'm gonna turn that over. Beautiful. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And I'm not doing these well done. God forbid. That'd be ruining prime beef. And you know, those steer died for a reason. So every time you go on the highway or a farm and you see some steer or Angus or whatever you want to see, some lamby, some chickens, they did their jobs. Okay. Worcestershire. I love it, man. Love Worcestershire. And I lowered it because Worcestershire is water-based, and this is oil, and I don't wanna A, make the stove any dirtier than it is. That's my doing. And B, I don't need any flare-ups. That ain't fun. I don't feel like getting burned. All right, I'm removing this guy, okay? Or these guys. Because it's a steer, which means male. You know what I would serve this with? Maybe mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes, do the twist, do the twist. That's from Dirty Dancing, in case you didn't know. Anyway, got that off. Yeah, man, there's my beauty shot. This is my goodie, my goodness. Oh yeah. All that. Herbs, spices, cannabis oil, chive, garlic, onions. And a menagerie of alcohol. You know, let me get that tie-dye side piece here and try to clean that up for you. Yeah. How's that look, boys? How's that look, girls? Yeah, pretty good. Okay. Swiss steak, cannabis style. I'm Larry Gerber, the barbecue man. Make sure you grab that free e-cookbook. And if you're waiting on us, poopers, you're loafing. Hang loose!